connections of an LED fading circuit. We need following components: LED resistor and a breadboard, Arduino, and the connecting wire. So this is an LED. The LED lead with the longer end is taking as positive, the other one is negative. So we should connect the LED to the one of the end, and we also need a series resistor for protecting the LED. So we need a smaller resistance less than 1K. Here we're using a 220 ohm, so it should be series. So these are the connections, and we need to connect the LED. The positive terminal should be connected to the plus 9 of digital pins. So 9 the digital pin we are using. And we also need to connect the negative terminal of the LED to the any of the ground we can use. So you should connect this ground. Okay, that is a connection. So after making the connections of the LED, so we should do for the program. So the program is to analyze the fading of LED. So these are the comments, and this is the pin we are selecting for the LED to connect. This is the 9 the digital pin. Then we need to select a variable for brightness. It should be initialized with the 0, and the fade amount we will put a constant 5 volume. Okay, then we need to select the setup window, setup commands. Therefore we need to void setup. Therefore we select the pinMode LED as a output. Finally we have the loop, void loop, where we set the brightness of the pin 9 by this command, analog write LED brightness. Then for changing the brightness we should use this command. The brightness should be incremented by brightness plus fade amount. Then we use a for loop to increment this one. If brightness is equal to 0 up to brightness is equal to, so this is the limit. This is a minimal limit and this is maximum limit of this brightness. So 0 to 250 we are using. Then what you do is we can do the fade amount is equal to minus of fade amount. Okay, then this is a dimming effect. Wait for 30 seconds to dim, and we should give a delay for 30 seconds. So for that running this code, we should to go to tools, where you have to create to select the port. Now I didn't connect this USB panel. Then I just connect this USB port. So then we can see that, then we can show the port. I should select, if I didn't select, I cannot run the program. So I should select this COM3. Then what you do is I have to run the code using the upload button. So if I upload it, so it's showing the program is there is no error, and it should upload the code to our Arduino. This LED, we can see that the LED's brightness is varying with time, and it starts from very less intensity to very high intensity with time. And this loops repeats. If I switch off my light, I can see more clearly that the intensities are varying with the time. We can also simulate our LED feeding experiments with online simulation tools. So what you do is I have to add one LED. So this is a LED. We can give different colors of the LEDs here. So this is a positive terminal of the LED, and this is a negative terminal. So what you do is I have to connect wiring. So for that I just click on this terminal, and I can wire to 9th pin of this digital pin. So I had to connect a resistor, so I can add a resistor from here. So a resistor is added, so I have to give a value, so that I can right click here, or this is a kilo ohm, so I can give a 100 ohm, which will be a reasonable one. Okay, 100 ohm resistor. Then I have to click here, then I can place here, and connect the remaining connections. Okay, click it here and click here that to complete the circuits. Then finally I have to ground the circuits. I can connect any of this ground. Okay, now I'm connected to here. Then my circuit is over, so I have to give the code here. So what you do is I will copy my code from the Arduino, then I will copy it and directly paste to our simulator, so I can give the code to here. So finally I have to run the simulations. So if I run these simulations here, I can clearly see that the LED is blinking, and I can see that this is actually increasing and decreasing its intensity with the time.